In this video, I'll show you how to set up bulk discounts in WooCommerce to encourage larger orders and to keep your customers coming back. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so for example, I'm going to show you how to set up a bulk pricing structure similar to this one here. Here I've got two different pricing tiers. So if they purchase between 5 and 10 units, then we'll give them a 5% discount. If they purchase 11 and above, we'll give them a 10% discount. And as we change the quantity here, we'll see the price display changes as well, right? So we're currently in this tier here. And if we keep going, here we've reached the maximum threshold where we're getting that 10% discount, and we can just add it to our cart and go ahead and check out. So if you want to create a similar setup in your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the aovup dynamic pricing and discounts plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've installed and activated the aovup dynamic pricing discounts rules plugin. So we've got two ways in how we can actually add our bulk discounts to our products. So one, we can do it on a global level. For example, if we head over to aovup and then navigate over to dynamic pricing rules, we can head over to advanced rules and we'll go ahead and click add category pricing. All right, we can give it a title. It's just for internal purposes. And then essentially we need to choose which category or categories will trigger this bulk discount rule. For example, we can say we want to create a bulk discount pricing rule for all products within our chairs category, and we'll apply that discount to the exact same category. And the reason why we separated these two options here is in the event, sometimes you might want to say if you spend X amount in our accessories category, and we'll give you a discount in our hats category, for example. So this is why we've actually split out the rule. Right, and we get to choose who it will apply to. So we can say everyone, guest users, a specific user role or a specific user. We'll just leave it to everyone. And then for the processing type, we've also got the option as well to limit this to first-time buyers only by enabling this option. And then here on the processing mode, we just want to select bulk. Under here where it says quantity pricing, we can say if the purchase between 5 and 10 quantities, then we'll give them a percentage discount of, let's say, 5%. Let's add another tier. And then if they purchase 11 and above, right, we'll use the asterisk sign for above. Then we'll say we'll give them a percentage discount of 10, right? So 10%. And then we just go ahead and save this rule. But I want to actually do this on a product basis. And the beauty of this particular plugin is we can actually export all our pricing rules, and then we can go ahead and edit it in Excel and then basically just re-upload it. So, okay, so I want to create a bulk pricing rule for this belt product here. So let's just click edit. We'll navigate over to where it says pricing discount rules. We'll go ahead and click add pricing group. And just like on a global level, we get to choose who we want this rule to apply to, right? So we can set it to everyone, guest users, a specific user role or a specific user. And we can also limit it to first time buyers only, right? And then right, where it says quantity based on, we'll just leave it as it is. So it's the product quantity. And then on the processing mode, we'll leave this to bulk. We can choose tiered pricing as well, or even a special offer. So here we actually get to specify the criteria. So the minimum our customer needs to purchase is 5 quantities. So between 5 and 10. And then we'll give them a percentage discount of 5%. Let's create another rule by clicking this plus icon here. And then we'll say 11 and above. We'll use the asterisk sign for above. And we'll give them a discount, a percentage discount of 10%. All right, let's save and update this rule. Okay, and here we've got this pricing table. So you can choose to remove this pricing table if you want. On the global level, if you go settings, you've got the option to remove this pricing table, right? But here we can clearly see the threshold required for each discount, right? We go ahead and change it. We can see the price changes here. And then we can just check out as normal.